We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge on a Canon ImageClass mf743cdw. So the first thing first, this printer takes a Canon 055 toner. This right here is going to be your power button, so this will not open the front part here. You want to do the button on the left hand side. It'll pop it open. Then go ahead and just pull on this blue lever and pull this tray out. Take out your old toners. As you can see here, there are color guides, so that way you know which color goes where. Then you would just unbox your new toner, take it out and put it in your machine. Then you would push the drawer in, shut your hatch, and you should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.